Yo guys, what's up? It's Brazzy here, and just doing a little bit update. First off, I want to start off by saying I might be a little bit inactive for a little bit because I kind of fractured my arm playing basketball, so maybe not be able to play Xbox for a little bit. Doctors aren't sure yet because there's too much fluid from all the swelling and stuff, but yeah, so I might be a little bit inactive. Gonna have a little bit trouble doing speed arts and GFX because I normally use my right hand, my right arm, but which is kind of what I broke, and my whole entire arm is immobilized, so I can't even move my wrist around. But yeah, so that's pretty much this update. Just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be a little bit inactive. Also, I'm looking for an editor. If you're an editor, please contact me, cause I need an episode out pretty soon, cause I have all my clips ready. Just need an editor real quick. So yeah, as you see on the screen, it's my new logo. Didn't want to make a speed art because it would have been like 5 seconds. Because it really didn't take that long to make. I just made one shape, the blue shape, and then turned it around, made it 3D kind of ish, like made a shadow thing, and it turned out really sweet. So yeah, that's it. I'm Brazzy, and I'm out. Peace.